I've got an email in my inbox that I really don't want. I'm not sure if I should unsubscribe, and actually what I want to do is just not receive them in my inbox anymore. So how do I mark it as junk? Hi, I'm Michelle, a computer coach here sharing tips and tricks on your everyday software to make life that little bit easier. So I've got the email selected. It's not one that I requested and I just don't need it. I don't want more from this person to come into my inbox. With the message selected, right click on it and you can see here towards the bottom it says junk, and all I'm going to do is click that very first option, block sender. That will now confirm that the sender has been added into my blocked list, so that if any more emails comes from this person they'll go straight into the junk, and you can see the email itself has been moved to the junk folder. Now normally I would say click don't show this message again, but as a trainer I always like to have it coming up. So I'm going to click OK. You can see, just like it said, it's actually removed it from my inbox, and now if I come over to the junk mail folder that I just happen to have on screen, you can see it's been moved here, and that's all I need to do. The last thing you need to do when you've got all of your junk messages in is on the folder itself, here on the left hand side of the screen, right click again, and from this message I'm going to click empty folder. That actually now removes it. I want it permanently deleted, and now that's all gone. So that's all that I need to do. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. It really does help the channel. And remember, if you'd like to be notified as new videos are available, remember to subscribe and click that notification bell. I will see you in the next video.